What are facts about your job that the general public has no idea about? 1. I'm a massage therapist. I don't care if you didn't shave. But please wash your feet. 2. Working for giant companies, it's comical how many systems are raggedy messes of bare-bones functionality. All available money gets thrown at certain projects, leaving everything else to work on complete shoestrings. 3. Ex-security guard here. We're not there to protect you. We're there to observe and report. Don't assume that just because whatever building you're working in is security that you're safe. Especially if security is of the unarmed variety. 4. Radioactive contamination can often just be cleaned with Windex or even water. 5. I work in IT support. Legit, about 80% of all problems are solved by rebooting the computer, terminal or phone. If not, 20% is pure detective work. 6. I was a licensed cremationist for 8 years. Regardless of how hard we tried, that wasn't just grandma or grandpa in the urn. 7. I'm an ER nurse. People get seen by severity, not the order they came in the door.